In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to turn off attention aware features on your iPhone. So if you are struggling to turn off the attention aware under Face ID and passcode, there are some settings you may need to turn off before the attention aware features can be turned off on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll walk you through the steps that you need to take to make sure you turn off attention aware on your iPhone successfully. So the first one to do is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and click on screen time. Once you tap the screen time, locate screen distance and click on it. Once you hit the screen distance button, you want to make sure you disable this feature. Turn off this screen distance, then type in your screen time passcode. Once you are done, hit the back button once, go back to your iPhone settings and then scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. Now type in your iPhone passcode to access the Face ID and passcode on your iPhone. You can now scroll down to the attention features on your iPhone. You can see you can now turn off this feature on your iPhone. Just toggle off this feature. The attention aware features on your iPhone will be disabled. So with this guide, you should be able to fix unable to turn off attention aware features on your iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.